Morning guys, so today it's going to be a really short video. I just thought let me come on here. I've been sick for some time, so I wasn't able to talk because of my jaw. So today I just wanted to step in here and tell you how to make your price list for your customers so that you make a profit. I'll make a longer video, but this is a shorter one that can help you in the meantime. So when you make your price list, you need to make sure you include every single cost that goes into the hair.
Take a screenshot of this Excel worksheet. As you can see, I added all the costs, the wig price, shipping, dollar, and then I changed it to rands. If you're in Europe or something, you change it to whatever currency that you're using. I put edge brushes because that's my gift for my customers. My box customs, then I put the total cost, I work out my profit margin and the selling price and profit. So take a screenshot. I will do a longer video going through all the formula, but for now you can use this. So you want to make sure you include all of your costs so that you're not running at a loss. I will show you the calculation of how you actually calculate selling price and your profit margin.
If you're making it a wig from scratch, it needs to be the bundles, the lace, your labor of creating the wig itself. If you're shipping it in customs, you need to make sure that all of those costs are there. So you list them all down, including your packaging as well per unit, your packaging as well as your, maybe if you have got a sticker that you're using for the packaging separately, and then if you have a gift for your clients as well, you want to make sure that you include that inside the cost. So every single cost that you have, you include it. And then once you've gotten the total cost of everything, what you want to do is now you want to just have a profit margin. So companies will decide between which percentage they want. So some people will say they'll add between 80 and 100. Some it's even bigger, it can go up to 200. Some it's less, like 15 and 20% is the profit percentage that you add. I'm gonna put this is the calculation right here that you use to figure that out, and then you play around with the percentage here in the calculation. Take it up, down to see if you like that current selling price. If you don't, you just increase or decrease it. So yeah, so that's how you go about doing that. That's the shortcut version. If you want it to be super easy, use Excel, an Excel spreadsheet. Like I said, I'll do a longer video. My best friend is getting married this weekend, so I need to go prepare for that. It's a 2-day wedding in Limpopo, so I'm gonna try to share with you guys the journey. I've already done my eyelashes, I've already gotten my dress done. I will show all of that in a different video. My nails are done as well, as you can see. So yeah, I need to prepare for that. That's why this video is short, but people have been just asking me this question: how do you do it? How do you do it? Oh my gosh. So that's the shortcut version. If you do need like a detailed assistance, I do have a cheat code. I do have a all-in-one class online version in person as well. I've done it people from all over the world, so I can assist you. So time zone is not an issue. We'll work on your time zone, and then I will guide you through it, help you with the Excel sheets, the formulas, so that you know how to do it. But I will create a longer video that is just more descriptive. But obviously, if you want the one-on-one, I can assist you with that as well, because it's different, right? It's not the same thing as you doing it on your own. But yeah guys, that's what this is an extremely short video. I just wanted to pop in and say I've actually got a client coming in right now for an installation. And yeah guys, I'm so glad to be feeling better. I'm still on medication right now, but I'm gonna be, now that I have medication that helps me so I can talk, because I couldn't even talk, guys. Can you imagine? Through my birthday and everything. So yeah, it feels good to be back to normal, or almost back to normal, right? Do a long detailed, but I just wanted to show you guys that it's not that complicated. If you're shipping in, like buying in dollars, what you want to do is you want to get all the costs of the hair in dollars, then you want to multiply it by whatever your currency is. So here in South Africa, sometimes 17 to the dollar or something. So if a wig is like $200, then they add maybe a transaction cost of $9, maybe some $25 shipping. You add all of that, you get your total, then you multiply it by 17 or 18 to get the rand value. Once you have the rand value, then you add all your rand costs. So yes guys, that is the short video. I will be back soon, I promise you. Let me go get my friend married. Let me go get my friend to become a wife. You know, she's becoming a wife. This is fun times. We are adulting now, so yeah. Also my skin, how has it been looking? I'm also gonna do like if you guys are interested, a skincare routine situation. Lucky for you guys, I don't do these 500 step stuff. I literally do like the really short stuff. So yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to see you guys again. Please like, subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna be dropping gems. I know I said I'd start with Airbnb. I definitely will once I'm back from this Easter long weekend for the wedding thing I told you about. And yeah, we'll be talking about business and all this lovely stuff. So yeah, bye guys. It was nice catching up with you for a few seconds, but I hope this video helped. Please do comment, share, you know, subscribe, do all the lovely things. Bye.